How to find a missing folder in Outlook 365. So to do this, you can start by checking the folder list view. So in your Outlook, go to the mail over here and go to view, and then go to your folder pane. And then on the folder list, make sure it is on the show option. Just go ahead and press on show to display all the folders inside your mailbox, including the hidden ones. Sometimes folders are simply collapsed under another folder, so you could expand the mailbox and check the deleted items, maybe your archive or junk email folders in case it was moved accidentally. You can also make use of the search feature directly here in the top corner. So make sure it's set on all folders, and then just go ahead and search in a name, or maybe you have a kind of code you remember for that folder. So it's gonna be used to locate emails from a folder or from any folder. You can right click message and choose move, or move to another folder to see the folder path. And if the folder was accidentally deleted, you can check the deleted items folder and try restoring it. For account sync through Exchange or Microsoft 365 though, you can try refreshing or just restarting your Outlook, or log into Outlook on the website instead of the app, to see if the folder still exists on the server. If it appears online but not in the app, you can repair the Outlook profile or just resync the mailbox. Usually this can restore the missing folder as well. So those are a few options you have if you have a missing folder in your Outlook. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.